friends, happy Wednesday. It's kind of a gray, cloudy day out today, so I thought it'd be a really good day to show you super easy sensory tutorial for a substance you might know as Ooblek. It is just cornstarch and water. The easy thing about Ooblek is that you can portion it how you want for how many children you want to make this for. So for me, I only have 2 cups of cornstarch and 1 cup of water. You always want twice the amount of cornstarch that you want water, so if you're making more and you want to do 2 cups of water, you're going to have 4 cups of cornstarch. You always want more cornstarch to make the perfect consistency for this Ooblek. So I already measured it out here, and I'm just making a little bit to show you guys. So I only did 2 cups of cornstarch, which means that I have half the amount, or 1 cup of water. I'm going to slowly add this to my bowl. I tried this before, and if you put all the water in at once, you're not going to get the kind of Ooblek consistency that you are looking for. So you want to add a little bit of amount of a time and then slowly mix it together. So I'm going to pour a little bit. I'm using a fork just because the cornstarch gets really hard to mix around once it gets thick. So I'm going to start. So I'm going to add a little bit more. Just be careful because the cornstarch gets really thick, so you don't want it to splatter everywhere, so that's why I have it in a bigger bowl. And I have my sleeves rolled up, as you can tell. It does get a little bit messy, but the good kind of messy. Awesome thing about Ooblek as well, if you want to make it even more sensory oriented, you could add some essential oils for scent. You could add some food coloring. I wish I had food coloring. I actually used all my food coloring on our last tutorial for the chalk paint, and I haven't gotten more yet, but that's okay. It is just as fun without. So I'm going to slowly mix this together. The cool thing about Ooblek, if you have not experienced it yet, or the kids have not experienced it, is that it really changes the consistency when you're molding with it. So you're going to have a solid that you can mold and grasp and work on those fine motor skills like Play-Doh, and then as soon as you kind of release your hand, it really turns into a very liquidy consistency. So it's really cool to watch the difference between a solid and a liquid, and I think kids really find that interesting. I know we did this in science when I was younger and we loved it, so I thought I would do a home version and share it with you guys today. So I'm going to add the last of my water and really kind of mix it up. It's not going to be perfect. If you find any troubles with the recipe, if you want to make it a little bit thinner, you would add more water. If you're trying to thicken it up or think it needs more to mold, you just add more cornstarch. Also, it's something you can really kind of eyeball and see. If you need more or less or something, then you can do it that way as well. But it's definitely going to be more cornstarch than your water. So I've done it with my fork. I'm going to go, already making a mess. I'm going to go ahead and use my hand just to kind of fix it up towards the end. And it's just a recipe that you're going to have to work with. But as you can see, once it's mixed up, I have a pretty solid consistency right here. I can mold it with my hands. I can roll it into a ball. I can pinch it. I can grasp it. But then, as soon as I let my fingers up, it turns this really cool liquid and goes back down. I encourage you guys to try this because it's something I can't really explain until you do it for yourself, but it's super cool, super easy. Kitchen ingredients. You could put this in a really big tub and let the kids play with it. You could put cups in it and kind of let them see how it drips from the cups. You could add kitchen gadgets like spoons and bowls and ladles and other stuff like that. If you have any like Play-Doh cookie cutters or actual cookie cutters or rollers, I encourage you to let them try out a bunch of different things. And just a super safe material to use in the home. And like I said, if you wanted to add food coloring or scented oils or anything else, you can also do that as well. But it's super fun, something I could sit here and play with all day. So I encourage you guys to try it. If you do, please share with me. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!